Hello students, welcome to the science class. Now today we are going to start the new chapter force and pressure. But the previous chapter as we have discussed metals and non-metals. If you are having any query in metals, non-metals, so you can ask to me. What you will learn after this chapter. Okay, so the learning objective, that is you can explain about the contact and non-contact force, the effect and the types of force. You can explain the pressure and its effect and how the use of atmospheric pressure in our daily life. So in this chapter, we will discuss pressure and force. Now, so the next thing, that is force. What is force? First thing, what is force? Force क्या है? Now the force is a push or a pull or a both. Okay, force is a push or pull. A force cannot be seen, but we can feel and observe the effect of the force. So any push and pull is known as a force. तो push और pull को हम क्या कहते हैं? That is known as force. The a force to move an object away from our bodies, that is known as push, while a pull when we apply a force to move an object towards our body, that is known as pull. So that the combination of the push and pull, what are the combinations of push and pull? What are the combinations of push and pull? That is playing a guitar. When we are playing a guitar, so what we are doing, we are using, we are pulling. Yes, it is a pull. Now showing a wood, so what we are doing, push. Okay, scrubbing the floor, and rowing a boat. So these are the effect by which the force is created by the push or pull. So what it is, that is the force, push or pull or both, it is known as a force. So what are the different types of force and what are the effects of force? Effect of force, how the force effect, force क्या क्या कर सकता है, what are the effect on the force? First one for is that the force, it can change the shape of the object. When you are applying a force on an object, it can change the shape of the force. So how it happens, look at this, as I am having a notebook, so but when I am applying the force, it can change its shape. So what happens, it, as you can see, the shape of the object is totally changed. Now earlier it is rectangular in shape. By applying the force, as you are crushing the bottles, so what happens, the cold drink bottles, when you crush, when you are applying the force, the shape of the object is changed. Now second one, move an object from the position of rest. Okay, when we are applying a force, so what happened, the object which is in the rest position, it comes in motion, and when the object is in motion, it comes into the rest. Move an object from the position of rest, as when you are pushing a table, the table is in rest position. So when we are pushing a table, so what happens, that the table from the rest position to the motion. Next, change the direction of a body in a motion. Change the direction of a body, as when a player, cricket player, so that when they are playing the match, what happens, the ball which is thrown by the bowler and the batsman applying a force and changing the direction of the ball. Clear? Now the another thing, change the speed of the moving object. How it change the speed of the moving object? What are the changes? किसी मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट की स्पीड में क्या क्या चेंज कर सकता है? increasing its speed. It can increase the speed. Okay. Now reduce its, या तो speed reduce हो जाएगी और increase हो जाएगी, or stop its motion. If any object which is moving, so by applying the force, what are the effect? There are the three effects. On the moving object, speed will increase, speed will decrease, or maybe stop. As the fielder catch the ball, the speed of the object, ball is the object, the speed is, रोक दिए, मोशन रोक दिया हमने. Clear? Next, reduce the speed. आप उसकी स्पीड को क्या कर सकते हैं? ब्रेक लगाया आपने, धीरे धीरे गाड़ी की स्पीड कम हो गई. Yes, when someone is pulling a cart, 2-3 more persons, they are also try to push or pull the cart. So what happened? The speed will increase. Clear? Accelerator दिया, गाड़ी की स्पीड increase होगी. So what is that? The change in the moving object. What are the three changes? Increase, reduce, and stop the motion of the object. Either the motion is stopped, speed will reduce, speed will increase. Now, to raise an object to a higher level, when we are applying the force, to raise an object to a higher level, when we pull water from the well. जब कुएं से पानी खींचते हैं तो what we are doing? We are applying a force on the rope. हम रस्सी ऊपर खींचते हैं तो ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा ऊपर आ जाता है. Now to hold the raised object in a raised position, as that you have seen, the cranes, they are holding the heavy loads, heavy machines, vehicles at a fixed point. So what we are doing? That is the effect on the force. So what are the effect of force? It can change the shape of the object, the position of the object can be changed, rest to motion, motion to rest, direction can be changed, speed, there are many changes, speed increase, decrease, or stop. Okay, and it can raise the object as a higher level and to fix the object, okay, at the higher level to hold. Now, so on the basis of that, what we can say, we can classify the force into two types of forces. One is known as contact force and the other one is known as contact force and another one is known as non-contact force. So the contact force, the force experienced by bodies when they are in physical contact with each other. Okay, as the contact force are two types, that is known as the muscular force and the frictional force. Okay, muscular force and frictional force. So these are the example of the contact force. The non-contact force, as the word non-contact means that the object is not connecting. Okay, the object is not connecting. It means the force experienced by the body when if they are not in physical contact. Okay, they are not in physical contact. What happens in the contact? These muscular and frictional force, they are in contact. They are in the physical contact. These two people, they are trying to push, दोनों इस ब्लॉक को पुश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Another one, in the frictional force, now the object is contact with the surface. So what happens? They are in the contact. यहाँ भी contact में है and here they are also in contact. But in the case of non-contact force, they are not in contact. So what are these? These are magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. Okay, so these are the three types of non-contact force.